Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Karibuni sana. If you're new here, hi, welcome. So today we are back in the kitchen and I'm going to be showing you how we make our homemade burger recipe. So stay tuned and let's get to the video. Okay, so for our ingredients, you're going to be needing ground beef or minced meat, crushed ginger and garlic. I've used 3 cloves, 1 large onion, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garam masala, salt, 1 egg, hot and sweet sauce or ketchup or tomato sauce, mayonnaise, mustard, sliced tomatoes. You can do it half or full, whichever you want. We are going to be using some green chilies. This is like a quarter, optional. Coriander, diced onions. Then you're going to be needing our buns. So we have our buns here, as you can see. We're going to be also needing some lettuce. Okay, so I'm going to take a mixing bowl. As you can see, my hands are just from being washed. Then I'm going to put in my beef, okay, like that. So I want to spread it out. Then now we put our ingredients, okay. So I'm going to start with this. This is optional, guys. Spices, do the ones that you have. Oh, this is so much cayenne. So this is about a quarter. Black pepper, some garam masala, don't forget your salt because that's about 1 tablespoon. Okay, and 1 egg. Yeah. Now your hand should be clean and then you start mixing. Oh, by the way, guys, we don't have breadcrumbs, so if you have breadcrumbs, please use them. Massage all those spices into this meat. Okay, so I've already mixed the ingredients. If you can just smell how it smells, oh my god. Anyway, so I'm going to pick at random. See, I need 6 patties. They're called patties. So I'll try and pick almost the same size because, hey, kupima na macho is real, guys. So here, I take, then I roll it like this. Okay, then okay, so guys, I've put a sinia here. A sinia, because we don't have anywhere to place these patties after we put them. So if you have a tray or something, okay. So yeah, so I've made my ball and then now I'm just going to press it like this. You want to, okay, you can try and make it a circle, but guys, you don't have time to waste. So I'll just press it here like that. You can use a cup if you want. Mtu hakuli nini shape, so yeah, so this is our first one. You don't want it to be so thick because Kenyans, we want our meat to iva, so not so thin, not so thick. You pinch your meat, roll it like that. This makes it so much easier to roll. If you can also roll it like this, but I advise you guys to try this. You see, kupima na macho is real. Zinatosha nama. Yeah, so I'm going to do this for the rest of the patties. And then guys, if you want, because we don't have breadcrumbs, you're going to put them in the fridge so that they become compact. We're going to be making these burgers for breakfast or lunch, so we're going to leave them in the fridge overnight. But if you have breadcrumbs, you can just cook them immediately. But I'd advise, even if you have them, just put them for at least 30 minutes, okay? Yeah, and note, I am not an expert. This is just how I do it. If you have another way of doing it, please put it down in the comment section, okay? Okay, so guys, I've already made the 6 patties. I've used the fork to sort of like even out here the edges. So yeah, let's take them to the fridge. We're using the lower fridge. Okay. So see you tomorrow, guys. So it's morning, so we're going to start preparing our patty. So here I have put my pan to heat. So I'm going to add some oil. Yeah, very little. Our patties already had some oil, so yeah. Then our patties are still in the fridge, so we're going to remove them. I'm going to take out our patties. As you can see, they've already become compact. Last night when we put them, they were achanin. So yeah, I've already prepared what we need. We have the onions. So these are the ones that I'm going to place in the buns, okay? So for the onions, you can soak them in salty water or you can soak them in vinegar, but for mine I'm going to like cook them. Then you have our tomatoes already salted. We have our buns. I have sliced our buns into two, then applied some butter because we're going to also toast them later. Then we have our lettuce. I have cut 6, I don't know if they're branches or leaves. Then we have our plate. Then we have our sauce for our burger sauce. So yeah, and our patties. Okay, so guys, our oil is already heated up, so we are going to place our patties. One. We're going to cook our patties for 2.5 minutes on each side. Then we'll cook them later for like a minute or so on both sides to make sure our meat has fully cooked. Okay. So yeah, let's let them cook. So it's been 2.5 minutes roughly. So now it's time to turn. Okay. We're going to cook them again. We're going to turn them again to make sure it has cooked and finished inside. So guys, can you see the advantage of putting them in the fridge? They don't break when they're cooking. So yeah, turn again.
So we turn them again to make sure that the meat is fully cooked on the inside, and after a minute or so our burgers are ready.
In the same pan, I've added some oil, then I put my onions. Have some soy sauce, you can put it. Okay, so guys, I've just put some oil in a pan. I want to heat my buns. The oil is already hot, okay? So you take your buns and then you put them on this side, the side without blue band. Put 4, like that, like this. I feel like this actually makes such a difference to your burgers. So guys, we're going to turn them. Just want them to like heat kidogo, you see? You see that we want them to be slightly hard, not so hard, just slightly. So guys, I want to show you how they look. See, so they are ready. Now we remove them from there, put them on your plate like that. Yeah, that's how you just bun your buns. We are starting to lay our buns. So you take the bottom, then put some onions, then put some lettuce, whichever you call it. Then you put your patty. You can just again another lettuce. This is just how I'm doing it. Greens are important for your body. Okay. Then your tomatoes, tomato, potato, like that. You can always increase your layers. If you want to put cheese, well and good. Then next we put our sauce. Can you see? Beauty. You can even put the sauce on the meat, it doesn't matter. Then for the top, this one has too many greens, but you get the whole point. Ooh. So yeah, we'll do that for the rest and then I'll show you. Okay, so that's it for today's video. These are our burgers, as you can see. Let me bring them closer. So we've laid them like this. So the lower bun, then we have some onions here, lettuce. We have our patty, the sauce, another lettuce, tomatoes, and our top bun. It looks so restaurantish. Yeah, what do you think? Comment in the comment section. If you try this, tag me. Okay guys, beautiful. I'm going to put the list of ingredients in the description box, so check out the description to see what I used. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, guys. Bye.